Okay, this video is for Jose, PhD 27. He wants to know how to clean his engine bay. My engine bay is pretty clean. This car is fairly new, 3 years old. I need to get a new battery cover, battery protector. Small engine bay, so these have little battery blankets, so I gotta get one of those. But I already did this when I bought the car, but I'll go ahead and do it again. It just rained, so I like to spray out my engine bay every once in a while. So you want this setting, and just spray it from a decent distance. That's it. And then drive the car right away. I'm gonna run errands right now, and it's been raining, so I have to clean my car anyway, so I don't mind that it's getting on the paint because the car's dirty, and I intend on cleaning it tonight. But that's it. Spray it nicely, go for your drive. I'll say it again just in case the water sounds too loud. Just spray it. Go for your drive. When you get back, just wipe the engine down with your cleaning wipes or something, and that's it. Okay, I'm pretty sure the car experts out there are going to get angry at this video, telling me I'm going to break my car. It's okay. Here we go. Starting the car right up after spraying out the engine. Good sound. Not the beep. The car sounds good. So I did this while the engine was cold. Preferably you want to do it when the engine, well, this is my OCD anyway. I don't like to do it when the engine is hot because I don't know, I just get uncomfortable when the water hits the exhaust and it's like steaming because the exhaust is so hot. I just feel like you might crack your exhaust manifolds doing that. But think about it like this. When you're driving in the rain, what's happening? Your engine's getting wet. Water's hitting the hot exhaust parts anyway. So yeah, you could spray your engine out like that. And to be safe, I drive my car right away after spraying it. But if you want to, you could drive the car around, wait 2 or 3 hours. The engine's still gonna be warm in 2 or 3 hours. Then you could spray it and then drive around again. But that's it. What's the time? 1:37. I'll be back and you'll see my car still works. I didn't break my car. I know there's gonna be people out there that says, you're gonna break your car doing that. No, you won't. That was a light hose setting, like a shower setting. You'll be okay. What do off-road trucks do when they drive into a little river? Their engine's getting way more wet than that, and their exhaust parts are hot. So I'm pretty sure you could spray your engine with hot exhaust parts, but I just don't like to do it. It's my car's brother. Parking OCD. No end of the parking lot defense this time. I'm at the end though. I have the last spot, but plenty of space is over. Okay, here's the engine. It's dry after driving around, running my errands. So if you want to take your cleaning wipes, you go ahead and get the little water spots. But there you go, nice and clean.